So yesterday I talked about how can you use Amazon Marketing Cloud to see how your campaigns work together and combined, also how they work when you add the DSP on top of that. So just I don't want to leave this unspoken. I'm going to show you quickly how to find that report, and you don't need any prior knowledge of Amazon Marketing Cloud to do this. So once inside your campaign manager, just go to the left and find Amazon Marketing Cloud. Then select use cases, and in the search bar type overlap. Now you will see a bunch of overlap reports. I prefer this one, sponsored ads and DSP overlap. Even if you don't have DSP, I recommend this report because in my opinion it just looks way nicer than all the other ones. Then once inside, you just scroll down, give it a fancy name. In this, I will just copy this one. I like to add some date. Date's the 12th of November, and I like to add the marketplace. Then select the last week, last month, this month, whatever you like, and hit submit. It will crunch the data for a little bit, and then you will be presented with the report. And this, I know it looks a little bit confusing, but you can replace the sponsor brands, sponsor products with like SB, SD, SP. It's going to be much easier to look at it. But this is the point. So you will have different groups of ads like DSP and sponsor products, or sponsor brands, sponsor products, etc., and on and on. You get the idea. And here you will see all the detailed metrics like how many unique users reached, how many total purchases, total sales, what's the reach percent of the total reach, and the purchase rate, which we love the most. And as I said yesterday, this is the impact that we saw once we combined DSP ads with sponsor brands, sponsor display, and sponsor products. So purchase rate was the highest. We also saw high purchase rate combining even the fifth type of ad, sponsored TV, but the investment didn't justify that we continue with sponsored TV in this case. So yeah, let me know if you need help with this, but I think it's pretty straightforward. Go and look it up, and I'm sure it will increase your sales drastically if you do this right. So stay tuned, and more videos to come tomorrow. Bye bye.